Hi there, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today I present to you a Range Rover P38 4-litre V8, a 2002 02 plate. Absolutely stunning car in Oxford blue metallic with sandstone leather interior. Obviously the usual split rear tailgate that you find on the Range Rovers, privacy glass, rear lamp protectors, tow bar with dual electrics, wind deflectors, brand new side steps, near enough brand new set of AT tyres, Yokohama tyres. Stunning car this, really stunning. Where do you find a Range Rover P38 in this condition? Unbelievable. The engine is absolutely sweet as a nut. It's just been fully serviced. It's just had new exhaust manifolds, new exhaust manifold gaskets. It's recently had a radiator, water pump, thermostat, all the auxiliary drive belts replaced, new front and rear number plates, new wiper blades. It's had the spring conversion kit, which is far superior to the air suspension, which is problematic. This car now will have no problems with suspension. It's also had some anti-roll bar drop links and a new steering damper. It's been fully machine polished, ceramic coated. The car drives absolutely 100%. It's faultless. The engine's faultless, the gear change is smooth as silk. It really is a stunning car. Brilliant value for money. I mean, unbelievable value for money when you think what these cars were new. This car's only done 55,000 miles from new. Let's take a look inside. No corrosion on this car whatsoever. The underside of the car is as nice as the exterior. Look all around this boot lid here, absolutely like new. Full size spare wheel under there, Range Rover load liner, keep the carpets clean. Recent headlining. So you've not got the headliner issues either to deal with. Full Range Rover floor mat set. Dark walnut veneer throughout. No rusty wheel arches. Like I say, there's no corrosion anywhere on this car. Everything works, all the electric windows, central locking. It's got DAB radio, upgraded sound system, a Pioneer in there, which has got DAB radio. You can stream music from your iPhone or iPod, and it's got hands-free telephone as well built in, cup holders. Just beautiful. All the leather is immaculate, really. You know, I mean, to say that this car is as old as it is, it's just unbelievable, really. Beautiful, these V8s. This car has been repatriated from Japan in 2019, but barely used since it came over. And as you can see, this is a credit to its former Japanese owners. We love these Japanese imported cars. I've been repatriated back to the UK. They're just unbelievable condition. Never seen road salt. Looked after, and always generally low mileage. There you go. Any inquiries are welcome. I think the first person to come and view this car will buy it. It's unbelievable value for money. So if you like this video, please click the like button. Please share, and please subscribe if you would. We'll be ever so grateful. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.